how to create a virtual machine on VMware Workstation. So I will let you know. So first you need to click on your file and click on new virtual machine. Okay, and select here, select be the default options. Okay. Uh, Next, and here if you want you can choose the here image path. Okay, suppose where you have put your ISO files, you need to choose that ISO files. So let me choose, for example, I want to install a CentOS 8. So CentOS 8. Okay, let me open a CentOS 8. Okay, next, and here you can give the name here. Okay, so you can give any name, uh,
Okay.
CentOS 8, and let me give it here. I will give it today date, 4th April. Okay, any name you can give. I have a lot of, so I'm giving like that. Okay, so okay, so and here
So
better here for a location, I would recommended you create a one folder here. So like a D drive, already I have created here folder. So here VM underscore disk file. So I have created a here folder. So create a please separate folder. So let me create a one folder. So CentOS 8, and I'm giving a same name, so it is clear actually. So it will be easy to recognize you in future as well also. So okay, so I have selected it. Okay, and next, yeah, you want to ask me anything here? Please let me know.
in that folder, OS files will be stored, right?
Correct, absolutely.
And that ISO image we have to download from outside, right?
Correct, from internet. So already I
Oh,
have downloaded these ISO files that I have shown you the location, right? So there we have already I have already downloaded ISO 7, 8 all. So you should have that. Then you can reimage your server. Then you can
oh,
install your fresh image.
so we can download it from anywhere, but it should be ISO image file, right?
Correct. I will let you know
Oh,
you can search to download. Okay, I will let you know that things also as well also. Okay, so let me know. So firstly, let me know. You need to open a, here. Okay, so okay, so for example, you want to download CentOS 8, download. Okay, so download. So just has CentOS 8 ISO download. Okay, okay. So here, click on first link. Okay, downloads. This is official website. Okay, visit here.
okay.
Okay, once you visited here, so here you are able to see 8 and 7. If you want to 7, yeah, if you want 8, then click on x86 underscore 64. What does mean by it? Is means 64 bit. We need to download this image
Okay.
only. Okay, no need these. Okay, no need.
Okay.
Okay, so download these image. Okay, so okay, so so let me click on here. Okay, once I click here, it will open. Okay, okay. So here, click on here. Any one of any link you can select here. Any link. Okay, let me. Okay, so here you need to select. Now you are able to see ISO image, which is the best ISO where you have a more size. Okay, so here you
Okay.
8.6 have be having a GB. So you need to download these ISO file. Don't download others. Okay, just download this ISO image. Okay. Okay, okay. So let me click on here. Suppose if I'm clicking here, it will start to download. Okay, so I'm doing canceled it here already. I have. Okay, so it is started 8.6 GB. Okay, now I have canceled it. So you can download like that. Okay, and okay, so okay, now you can select here disk size. Okay, so 20 GB, this is a soft size. It's not a hard size, means it is not occupying your 20 GB space. So just it here we are giving, and it occupying, suppose if your image is if your image is required only 6 GB, so it will take only 6 GB, it will not take a 20 GB. But yes, it is a soft limit 20 GB. that does mean. Okay, okay,
Okay, okay,
for your desktop, okay.
okay,
So next, so here you will see your configuration. Okay, network NAT, here memory is 1024, hard disk is a 20 GB. Okay, so okay, let me finish. Power on this virtual machine after creation. Okay, so
okay,
okay, so here it will comes here. Okay, now it's came here. Okay, so okay, so it's power on. Okay, so now here, it's asking now. So here you need to select this first. Okay, you need to select this. Okay, first. Okay, here why we are using sub, it will check your media is fine or not.
okay.
It will check your media m- is fine or not, testing purpose. Okay, fine or not. Okay, it will check your media fine or not. Okay, for troubleshooting, so so right now we are going a fresh installation, so we need to use first option. Okay, first option we are, okay, so we are doing a
Okay.
first option. Okay, so okay, so let me go. Already we have selected here. Okay, enter.
It's checking the files or installing the files.
No, it's installing. Now it's started the process.
Okay, okay, okay. Meanwhile, can you just go through the Red Hat ISO image from which website? It is developer.redhat.com.
Actually, for a Red Hat, you should have a credential actually. The Red Hat subscription either might be trial subscription.
Okay,
So, okay, so actually both are same. So there is no difference between Red Hat and CentOS. Both are same. The difference is only Red Hat is giving enterprise, and both are same. Everything is same. Ditto. It is the same. You can say a shadow copy. Okay.
so okay,
So now it's a starting installer. One moment. So, okay, so here after that it will ask for your select a language, so we need to select a language. Now this is your, here you can select a language here. Okay, so by default it is English, so click on continue. Okay, so here uh, so these are the some important things here. So location here, keyword we don't need to, here by default it is in English USA, it's fine here. And installation source local media, so software and software selection. So here we don't need to do here anything. Okay, so here, here installation destination and software selection. So let us click on here. So first we will go a minimal installation basic functionality. Okay, suppose if you want to go with the GUI graphical user interface, then select this one, okay. If you want to go with the GUI, okay, if you want to go with the GUI, then select this one. Okay, but right now we want to go with the minimum installation, and we will install later everything. Okay, so here it will take more time and more space, here it will take a less time, less space. We are going with the minimal installation for a operating system. And we will
okay,
select here some tools, like we need a network driver. So let me click on a network, no, we don't need to network server. So which is some basic system tools. And here security tools I don't need, I will install later all these things. Okay, and
I just wanted to ask one thing. In future, we are going to use this, right? Security system tools and all.
Yeah, we will learn all these things later manually. We will learn how to install all these things, okay, not
So
for
it
here.
is good to so it is good to install now or later on.
Later we will learn.
Okay,
So
okay,
then you
fine.
will know which package we need to install. Okay, either if here I
Okay,
have installed all the package, you are not able to know which package we need to install. So I have click on standard, the standard installation of CentOS Linux. We will install these and system tools. Okay, so these we will use these only. Okay, so
okay,
okay, let me
fine.
click done here. So okay, and okay, so uh, here now in a software selection we are going with a minimal installation. Okay, and now this is
Okay,
the main important part. Okay, here we will learn how to create a partition here. Okay, so let me click here. Okay, so here it is a check mark. Okay, it is selected. It is now check mark is not here. It means unselected. Okay, let's check mark
o-
and click on custom. Okay, and done. Okay, so now here you have a two partition. One is a standard partition, another one is a LBM. So we will not using LBM thin provisioning. So standard partition and LBM partition, what is the difference here between two partition? Suppose if I have created this I have this disk right now. Okay, for example, the size of this disk is let us suppose it is a it is a 50 GB. Okay, and we have
o-
given this space for a slash, for example. Now what happened, slash got full and we need to extend a more space. For example, we need a 10 GB more. Okay, 10 GB more, so for example. Okay, but in standard disk we can't extend the volume. We can't extend the volume. Okay,
okay.
in standard disk we can't extend the size. Okay, we can't extend the size. Okay, what in LVM means logical volume manager.
Okay.
Logical volume manager, we can extend the size. Okay, so in standard disk it's not possible. Okay, so here if it is a standard partition, if it is a standard partition, and if standard partition is okay, so this is here, this is, we can say it is a standard partition. Okay, so here it is a standard partition, not possible, not possible to extend. Okay, not possible, not. But if it is if it is a LVM, so LVM means LVM, then it is a possible, then it is a possible to extend.
So we can customize according to our needs, right? In
Correct,
LVM.
correct, correct. We can extend. That is the pro in a LVM. Okay, so we will go with the LVM now. Okay,
Oh,
so let me select LVM here. Okay, plus means I'm going to create a new. Okay, creating a
oh,
new. Okay, so here it plus will create a new partition. Partition. Okay, we will create a new partition or file system. We call a file system. Okay, so okay. So let me click on here. We have a total space is 20 GB. 20 GB is free. Let me click here. Let me click on add here. Okay, so here we need to select here. So before this lecture we have completed the file structure, right? That was the reason I have told you all here. So here now you know the meaning
So
about slash. What does mean by slash boot? Here your kernel files slash home user home directory slash var. Okay, and swap, I will let you know. Swap is equal to paging files. So in Windows we called a paging files. So here we called a swap. Okay, so now we are
okay,
selecting a slash here. Okay, so slab a slash we are giving here. For example, I'm giving a 20. If you are giving a GB, so please use a G. Okay, G. If you are giving in a MB, so you can give a M here. Okay,
okay.
okay, add mount point. Okay, so here
So
it will create a file system XFS. Okay, so XFS file system is introduced in CentOS 7 onwards, 7 and 8. And earlier, the version CentOS 6, CentOS 6, it is CentOS 6, it is a ext4 extended file system 4, and 5 it is a ext3. Okay, and earlier versions for ext4, this is CentOS. Okay, so I will show you here. So here you can see here, if you want to select a ext4, you can select a ext4, but we will go with the latest. Okay, so now if now it is a here now CentOS 6 ext4. Okay, so okay, okay, so you can select ext3, ext2 or swap, but we will go with the latest one, XFS. Okay, and here slash and desired capacity is here, name. Okay, so yeah, please, you can ask me something. You are asking something.
as, as we have given total space 20 GB, right? And
Correct,
we have desired capacity 12 GB, right?
correct. We
So
have given.
remaining 8 GB is used by program files, or it is
No.
free
It is
space.
it is unused space, like
Okay, okay,
unused space.
fine.
Okay, so let's create a one more file system. Okay, we will create
Okay,
slash boot. Okay, so we will
okay,
keep here our boot files in a separate. Okay, I am giving a 400 MB. Okay, 400
okay,
MB. Okay, so here one thing is, so slash boot, it is as per CentOS, as per CentOS standard, it should be a standard. We can't select LBM. Okay, if we have selected
okay,
LBM here, it will give you the error and it will not continue. So here if we
okay.
have selected, so what happened, it will not continue. it will throw it will throw error. Okay, not continue for installation. Continue for installation. Okay, not continue for installation. So we need to select standard partition. Okay, because these are here, because here here boot installation files like your kernel initial RAM file system init RMS and grub bootloader and bootloader bootloader loader bootloader, that is a grub 2. Grub 2 is a bootloader in CentOS 7/8 onwards. Okay, so we'll discuss these things in a details later. Okay, so let me select now here standard partition. Okay, okay, remaining space is unused. Okay, we will learn we will learn later how we can use this space. Okay, so right now
Okay.
it is sufficient here. If you want, you can create multiple, but we don't require. We will learn all how to create other file systems. Okay, so done. Okay, two times I did it, done, except changing. Okay, so now here. Okay, here you need to put a root password. You can set a root password as per your wish.
It is compulsory to put password
Yes,
or
yes, 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 yes. It must be. Okay. Now error gone. Here are you are able to see error. Now it's gone. Okay. Now click on begin installation. Now we are ready for begin installation. Okay. Everything is fine. Okay. Let's click on. Okay. Now it's started. Okay. So it will take around 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. A
okay.
minimal installation it will take 20 to max 20 to 25 max. Okay, depend upon RAM. So in our cases it's a 1 GB. It will not take more than it will not take more than 25 minutes. So below 25 minutes it will complete it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, actually it will take a time. Now 389 package has been completed, so it will take around 609 package total. So okay, so I will let you know here network part about a VMware. Okay, let me discuss about these things also. Okay, so click on here edit virtual editor. Okay, so here you can okay, it's taking a time. Okay, so here I have created a three network host only here. Suppose if you want to create a your own network, so here I have given a C class here, A class, and this is a C class. So if you want, so right now you can't create here. You need to make a shutdown your virtual machine, then you can create it. Then these option will highlighted here. Okay, so that was the reason it's not highlighted. And here you can create your network. VMnet 1, 2, 3. I have created three host only adapter. So what does mean by these host only and net? I will let you know these things. Okay, so let me right click here, go to setting. Okay, so here you have these options. Bridge. So what does mean by bridge? If you click here bridge, so directly it is connected with your Wi-Fi. Suppose your backend connection is your LAN or Wi-Fi. So it will connected your Wi-Fi and you will get a internet. Okay,
Okay.
okay, you will get internet and your router IP and your router series IP, router series IP through DSCP, through DSCP. Okay, through DSCP. Okay, so you will get after that. Okay, so if you selected this one, okay, so you will get internet and router series IP through DSCP. For example, your router for example your router IP is your Wi-Fi IP, means it means to say your Wi-Fi IP or something. For example, it is a 168.1.1, so you will get a IP for example 192 dot 168 dot 1 dot 10, for example, like that you can get. So here, okay, so here you will get, here you need to tick mark, here you need to check mark here and check mark here. Okay, so here you will access your internet and here this is your here you will get this IP. So what happened, suppose for example with your router, for example this is your router, this is your Wi-Fi router, it is your Wi-Fi router, and and connected. For example, it is here connected your multiple desktop. Okay, multiple system,
Okay.
multiple VMs. For example, it is a VM1, VM1, VM2, VM3, Sorry, not BM3 here. For example, sorry, it's not BM. So for example, your Lappy, it is your Lappy 1, Lappy 2, Lappy 3, Lappy 4, right? On the is Lappy, here you have created a BM. For example, you have created a BM 1 here, right? BM1, BM1. So this is a BM1. Suppose if you have given this IP, if you have given this IP, so these others here, suppose it have connected 10. So let us suppose your suppose, so suppose here it is connected with 192.168.1.9. Okay, so here suppose LAP2 is connected with a 192.168.1 uh, for example, it is a 11 192.168.1.12 and 192.168.1 for example 14. Okay, so what happened, so you suppose this IP is 110, so you can connect this IP from here also, so you can take a SH. Okay, so you can take SH for BM1 BM1. Okay, so that is your Lappy 1. Okay, Lappy 1. Okay, so you can take SH for BM1 because it's taking your Wi-Fi router series IP, Wi-Fi router series IP it has taken. So here you can access the internet also. Here on this BM you can access the internet. Okay, can access the internet here. Okay, okay, can access. So clear, it's clear, right?
Yes.
Bridge clear, right? Okay, let me clear this one. Okay, now let's come in net. So net here, net called a network address translation. Network address translation. Okay, so here your internet will work, you will get internet, you will get the internet, but can't access your BM outside, like in bridge, in bridged. Okay, like
Okay.
bridge. Okay, so you can't access. So here you will get internet but can't access your BM outside from your desktop to BM. Okay, and
So,
access the internet
okay.
access the internet. That is came for here NAT. We have selected the right now by default we have selected these things. Okay,
So
so yeah, please go ahead.
using net, we can only operate one desktop, right? One desktop or one laptop.
From our desktop means your desktop, your Windows machine. What does mean by your Windows
Okay.
machine?
Okay.
Okay, okay, your window desktop means your window machine, your your window your window. Okay, your window, that does mean that is the meaning of desktop. Okay, clear. Okay,
Yes.
so it's also clear, right? Okay, okay, now come for host only. Okay, now host only. So what happened host only? Host only, you can connect you can connect with a here BM to BM. You can you can connect from your desktop to BM, desktop to BM, or BM to BM. Okay, so BM. So here and but no, can't but can't ex cannot access the internet. So here you can't access the internet, so internet is not working here. So for example, if I'm giving example, this is your node. Suppose if I need to if I want to here this is a node, and here it will want to communicate with this node, so it will connect BM. So it is a BM and it is a BM. So here, and desktop our, this is our window machine, this is our window, right? So it will communicate. So it is a Windows to here, uh, your desktop. This is our desktop, desktop to BM or BM to BM. Okay, and
Okay.
okay. So here you will connect a net, having a net here. Here you have a net. Here no net, no net. These are the options. Okay, no net. Okay, so okay, so okay, so here we will Breeze and Net, we also connect here BM to BM, BM to BM. Okay, that's already here. Here having a also BM to BM. Okay, everything is same here. Breeze and Net. The here we can access a outside. In here we can access a outside here if we have a Breeze. Okay, BM to BM is here, and outside here can't access outside. Here can't access outside. Can't access outside. Can't access outside. Okay, here can't access outside. Here by also. Here also can't. So here can't access outside. Okay, outside. Here can access outside. Here BM to BM is here also available. Here also available. BM and BM to BM here also available, and here also available. BM to BM. Okay, this is BM to BM. Okay, let me clear now. And here you can select your custom, your which we have created host only. Right now you know the meaning of host only, and you know the meaning of net, so we can create our different network. So here here you can create a net 0. You are creating a C, in our cases it is a C class here, and one we have a class, and second we have a like a class. So we can, you can third you can create a B class. So IP series. So you can select your IP series as per your wish. IP series. Okay. So clear? Okay. So okay. So suppose if I have selected a net, you can do a breeze here. No problem. Let me change a breeze. Okay. Now breeze automatically. Okay. So now, so it's taking a time. Configure share. Okay. So now it's clear, right? Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Now you're fine. Okay. Now it's clear. Okay. So it's taking some time. Okay, now it's completed. You can see here we need to click on reboot system. Okay, let me click on a reboot system.
Okay.
Okay, now it's going on for reboot. Okay, so now it's came here like that. Okay, so automatically it go by default here, and now we don't need to do anything here. Okay, so automatically it will comes on the login prompt. So now this now it is starting the process. Okay, now we have got the prompt here, no? Okay, so you can log in here, root, and that time we have set the password. We can use that password here. Okay, so we can check through a IP space a command here. So now here, so we did not get a IP here. So let me make our, so I think it is not, okay, first let me check our Ethernet is connected or not. So, okay, so this is Ethernet adapter, it's connected, okay. So let
Mm.
me use if, uh, if down ENS3 and if up ENS33. Okay, now see, I got the IP here. So you can see here, it's it's have taken the IP here, 192.1. So here, if I ping here, public DNS 8.8.8.8, so you can see I am able to connect with the internet. Okay, so A.A. is a, it is, what is this? It is a public DNS, Google
Okay.
public DNS A.8. So now we have internet. We have internet. Okay. So if you now let us to take this IP. Let's take a SSH connection. Okay. Let's take a access. So let me clear. Okay. And you need to use Alt and Control to come out this window. Okay. You need to use your Alt plus Control, come out from VMware terminal. VMware this terminal. VMware this terminal.
Okay.
Okay, you need to use, okay, to come out from here. So let me use here. I have used it here. Now, okay, the IP is 104. Okay, so okay, so okay, here we need to add 192.168.1.104. Okay, and if you want to see my Wi-Fi having a same IP address, so let me show you. Network control panel.cpl. If you want to check the IP, now we have selected a breeze, and here, so okay, so here you can see here this is IP 192.168, and now you can see here, so here this is my DSCP server IP is 196, gateway is same 192.168. This is my router, this is my Wi-Fi router IP. DSCP is also same, and here we have used a public DNS. Okay, so here you will see same series. Okay, so we can access this outside also, this IP 104.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, so here let me open now. Yes, so now root, and let us put a password here. Okay, so IP space A. Okay, this is your IP. Okay, so and cd slash etc sysconfig network. Okay, so here we don't have a files. Okay, so right now your system CTL restart network will not work. This command below command below command this command will not work. This command
Okay.
will not work because we have because we have installed minimal installation. So you need to install that package. You need to install separate network hyphen script package. Okay, network hyphen script package. Okay, then in this command will then then systemctl restart network command work. Okay, so okay, so okay, so here, okay, let me clean here, let me do enter here. No, it's not there. Yes, okay, so that was the reason. Okay, here the file. Okay, so you need to use if down and if up. Suppose if you want to install that yum install network hyphen script. Okay, okay,
So these are packages, right?
these packages are not we actually we have installed a minimum installation. That was the reason
Okay.
by default these network.services are not available. So if you want to run this command, you need to install this package here. Okay, so we are
Okay.
going to
Okay.
install this package yum network hyphen script. Okay, so and make sure you should have an internet connection, then you can install. If you don't have internet connection,
Okay.
you can't install.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, so like that you can take a SH connection and okay, so here network hyphen script it's not there. uh, okay, so I think it is not. Let me make a mm, star. Okay, now star. Okay, use a star. So now it's came here. Let me install. Yes, now I'm installing. Okay, so okay, so yes, make a yes here. Okay, click on yes here. Okay, now it's installing. Okay, now it's installed. Okay, now you can see ls. So earlier these files were missing,
Oh,
right? Now we got the files, network script files. We got the network script files in CentOS 8. Okay, okay. Now you can use systemctl command, systemctl restart network. So use to restart the network services. Okay, okay. Let me try. Now, yes. Okay, even you can see the status as well also. Status network. See. Okay. Okay, so how to add your DNS entry? You need to go inside a resolve.conf file. So here you can give your DNS entry. Okay, suppose if you want to give public DNS entry, so you can use here, and here you can. But here you should have a good knowledge about BI editor. Then you need to do it here. So you can leave it, but for information, you can update your DNS here. So you can update DNS here. I have updated public DNS, Google public DNS, Google public DNS. Okay, okay, so okay, so bye bye here. So please let me know if you have a question. Either it's fine here.